Good morning, everybody. It is March 28th, Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Just coming on 7 o'clock. Got to turn Tick Strike off. One sec. And quick, not going to waste time. Close green, 1, 2, 3, 3 in a row. Detailed it out there in your email about closing green 3 times in a row, 2 being your basic warning. Fantastic that we closed green yesterday. Absolutely fantastic. Closed below the open, but we did close green above prior day's close. 39.77. And again, this is why I have been table pounding and trying to get those that are shook or those that really just don't trust me. You don't close in the 4,000s. It is free money getting that 4,000. Trading over there on the spreads. Yesterday, absolutely ridiculous how much money was getting made over there on the spread room. Throughout there, 6 o'clock in the morning, 40.15, 40.10s. Those went to $2. The crazy one got flipped. Got a great message from Spokes. Congratulations, dude. Keep making them 5K days, dude. 5K days build up. You're making $1 million in a year. Again, safe edges, looking at the top. Red weekly candle trade. Dude, David, you made a mistake yesterday, and that mistake paid off. You traded yesterday's expiration on the 39.35, 39.90s, and you got paid. You got paid that $3, the same thing as you would have gotten on the weekly trade. Absolutely fantastic. Throughout here early in the morning on a Monday, 4,005, 4,000 calls for today, and they were getting $3. Hello! And here we go. As we went down, I was trying to get everybody out. If you're scared, get out. If you're scared, get out. Iron Condor, $1.65 down to 20. Full credit at the end of the day. 40.15, 40.10s. Obviously, 39.37.5, 39.70s needed to be flipped. But then what I did, as you guys saw there, about 3:30. Let's go here. Tuesday, overnight, 39.95, 39.90s, getting 2.5. $2.50 credit. Looking for that close to be today being a red close. And as we had that yesterday, 40.15, 40.10 at 2, 67%. Looking today for a close below 39.77.53.
Do you know what? I think we're the greatest. We're the greatest. 1, 2, 3.
Don't care how low they take it, but definitely looking for a low below 39.77.53. Your Iron Condor is already there in your email, and I am using that 39.09 from Friday as the lower levels for it, and it is paying almost 100%. So fantastic. Safe edges right now because we are fractionally down just a couple of points. 40.35. Yeah, right. 39.04. 39.37 is minus 1%. So max, realistically, we're looking around that 39.37.75, which just happens to be where your 200-day moving average is. Just imagine how that works out. 39.31 is your 200-day moving average. 40.14 up here with the 50. And again, not getting any kind of, just close your eyes, cross your arms, fall back. Don't worry, I'll catch you. Those 4,000s, man, selling those 4,000s is fucking money. So here we go. Got a little roll down, closed right below that 39.80. And as we are looking at things, and as I shared with you over there, that's the COT. It's the commitment of traders. It's a big, wide picture, and it's just a tiny little tool that you can use. But like I shared there, you can see there is a massive discommitment to the upside on the NQ, and that is not going to bode well because what we are looking at as of right now on the ES, we are coming down to the Monday night lows. That's right where we're hovering right now, and as you can see, we are above the 5-day moving average. There is absolutely nothing bearish about this. There's absolutely nothing bullish about this. NQ, same situation, what we've got going on over here. Got to remove some of these studies, so I'll just remove them all because it's just too much. And right here, new lows overnight at 4 o'clock in the morning, hovering right where we are. And as you know, with your Toyota Corolla, right on the 1989 Toyota Corolla line at 308. We need this one to give up so that we can get that move to the downside that we're looking for. Russell 2000 right over here. Not really giving it up, but all of that euphoria about the banks being secured. The Europeans are coming out and saying, hell no, we ain't securing your deposits. Nah, that's the thing that them stupid fucking Americans talk about doing, which they can never do anyway. So here you go on your VIX. Your VIX right down to that 2102. 2102 over here Wednesday and Thursday, and everybody thought, oh my God, here we go, here we go. And then bam, on Friday, you got your spike up. And that's how you got your drop down to 3909. And then we have faltered off back down to this 2102. So yeah, realistically and from a non-biased point of view, what we're at, show you over here on SPY, is looking for a Taco Tuesday that we can enjoy some tacos breaking below that 39.50 and somewhere into this 39.4, 394, 390 area, with 392 being the 200-day moving average, the most likely of dips around that 392. If we don't get a dip, congratulations. That's 4 in a row. It makes it even better for you for tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. We've got Fed Barr testifying at Congress at 10 o'clock. So from 10 o'clock onward, a lot of things could be coming out of his mouth that suddenly trigger either which way, shape, or form. But as I said, we've closed red 3 days, green, green, green. We've closed green 3 days in a row. Everything is stacked on your side to be looking for that downside move today. And I wish you a fantastic Taco Tuesday. And so does the LeBron James family.
'Cause it's Taco Tuesday.